Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to draw a little Ed Sheeran. Here we go, right? Start with a head shape like that. You see that nice? I'm going to draw a really sort of simplified version of him. So we're going to have some hair going around like that. You can have a lot of fun with that sort of hair, can't you? That's looking good. And then just think about this. Actually, I think I've done that slightly too big, so I'm going to bring that in a little bit. Yes, perfect. That's the one around the corner there. So then I'm going to push this up here, then the hair. It's going to swoop down from one side to the other, just like that. It's going to be a very, very simplistic drawing, so I'm just going to draw little eyes like this. Ooh. There we go, a bit of a beard on there as well. We'll make that a bit more beardy. Again, we're just doing a really simple one here because I want to show you all the techniques that I use. So we've done the basic shapes there, we've done a nice little head shape there. And now what we normally do on these sort of videos is ink it. So we've done all of our pencils. We've got them exactly where we want them, made all of our mistakes in pencil, and now we just do the inking stage. And this is, it's quite a simple one, it's got cute little eyes. Just a really simple sketch. And that's it, bring that up there. Follow this all the way around. Nice. Really simple little drawing, this one. What I'm going to show you is how I take it to the next stage digitally. So, Ed Sheeran. This is a decent Ed Sheeran. Should we put a bit of colour on it before we do that? Let's do that. There we go, pretty decent. Looks alright, doesn't it? Let's digitise and I'll show you what happens next. So here it is. This is the digital Ed. Same thing that we drew a moment ago, but completely drawn on my tablet, which is what you're looking at here now, my Wacom Mobile Studio Pro, which is what that one's called. All digitalised. So I've drew the outlines around the edge with my stylus here. This is what this is called. This is like a computer pen. Maybe you've seen one of those before. And I put a bit of colour in it as well, some highlights on there, and yeah, he looks like he's about to go on stage, doesn't he? You know, last night you were in my room. Now my bedroom smells like poo. Did I get that right? I think so. Cool. Anyway, if you want me to do any more of these, let me know. Give me some more suggestions, and I'll see what I can do. We can do some more hand drawn stuff. We can do some more digitally drawn stuff. Do whatever you like. I'll see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com. If you got this far right to the end of the video, just write sausages in the comments down below. It'll be a little secret.